Hey there, gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel, where we share essential tips to elevate your style and confidence. Today, we have something truly special for you. How many of you have ever wondered, what are the 10 timeless wardrobe must-haves every sophisticated gentleman should own? Well, you're in for a treat because, in this video, we're going to reveal the ultimate style secrets that will revolutionize your wardrobe game. So, let's dive right in. Before we get into the specifics, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future style guides. Now, let's get started with our first must-have. Number 1 on our list is the epitome of timeless elegance, the perfectly tailored suit. This is the foundation of a gentleman's wardrobe, and trust me, once you find the right one, you'll feel like $1,000,000. But wait, there's more. We'll show you how to choose the ideal fabric, the best color for various occasions, and even some tricks to ensure the perfect fit that will make heads turn. When it comes to selecting the ideal suit, consider the occasion and your personal style. For formal events and business meetings, a classic navy or charcoal gray suit is a safe yet sophisticated choice. If you're feeling more adventurous, opt for a subtly patterned suit like pinstripes or window pane to add a touch of individuality while maintaining an elegant look. For semi-formal gatherings, a light-colored linen suit can exude charm and effortless style. Remember, the right fit is essential. Aim for a well-tailored suit that accentuates your body shape without being too tight or too loose. Next up, we have a classic dress shirt. Gentlemen, this is one of those versatile pieces that you can dress up or down effortlessly. But here's the twist. Not all dress shirts are created equal. We'll reveal the hidden details that separate an ordinary shirt from an extraordinary one, making you stand out in any room you walk into. The key to a remarkable dress shirt lies in the fabric and color choice. For a timeless and sophisticated look, opt for high-quality cotton or linen shirts. These fabrics not only feel comfortable but also allow your skin to breathe, making them ideal for various climates. As for collars, a classic spread collar complements most face shapes and ties, striking the perfect balance between casual and formal. If you're feeling bolder, try a cutaway collar for a more modern and daring edge to your outfit. Now, picture this. You're getting ready for a special event, and you reach for the perfect tie, but it's nowhere to be found. Don't let that happen to you. Our third essential item is a collection of premium quality ties that will add the right touch of sophistication to your outfit. We'll demonstrate how to tie various knots, including a bonus exclusive knot that will surely impress. A well-chosen tie can elevate your entire look, and one way to make a statement is through patterns. Striped ties exude elegance and versatility, easily pairing with a solid colored or patterned dress shirt. If you're looking to add a touch of character, consider a polka dot or paisley tie, but remember to keep the rest of your outfit relatively understated. As for knots, the classic Windsor knot is a timeless choice, perfect for formal occasions. Alternatively, the 4-in-hand knot offers a more casual and slightly asymmetrical look, ideal for everyday wear. Mastering different knot styles will ensure you're always ready to put your best tie forward. Gentlemen, shoes are more than just a necessity, they are a statement of your style. That's why our fourth must-have is a selection of timeless shoes that will take you from casual to formal occasions seamlessly. We'll talk about the essential styles, colors, and how to maintain them so that they last a lifetime. Investing in a few pairs of versatile shoes will serve you well in countless situations. A classic pair of Oxford or Derby shoes in a rich brown or black leather is a must-have for formal events, business meetings, or elegant dinners. For a more laid-back yet refined look, loafers are the way to go. They effortlessly pair with chinos, jeans, or dress trousers. Embrace the versatility of a quality pair of Chelsea boots, as they offer a blend of sophistication and casual flair, perfect for both professional and weekend wear. Remember, proper care and regular polishing will not only maintain their appearance but also extend their life, making them an enduring part of your wardrobe. A belt is a small accessory, but it can make or break your outfit. Trust me, a high-quality leather belt is worth its weight in gold. Join us as we reveal the secret to choosing the perfect belt and why it's a game-changer for your overall look. When it comes to belts, genuine leather is the way to go, as it offers durability and a refined appearance. Aim for neutral tones like brown or black, as they effortlessly match with most of your wardrobe choices. Ensure that the belt's width complements the loops on your trousers. A rule of thumb is to have a belt width that matches the loop size or slightly narrower. Also, remember to match your belt's color with your shoe choice, a brown belt with brown shoes and a black belt with black shoes. This small attention to detail demonstrates your sartorial knowledge and adds a sense of coherence to your entire outfit. Next on our list are trousers that fit like a dream. Whether it's chinos or dress pants, we've got you covered. Find out the secret to finding the right fit for your body type and how to effortlessly pair them with our previously mentioned wardrobe essentials. The key to comfortable and stylish trousers lies in finding the perfect fit. When trying on dress pants or chinos, pay attention to the waist, hips, and thighs to ensure they're neither too tight nor too loose. Consider your body type. Slim fit trousers flatter slender figures, while straight leg trousers suit most body shapes. As for styling, chinos offer a versatile option for both casual and business casual occasions. Pair them with a dress shirt and a blazer for a polished yet relaxed look. Dress pants, on the other hand, are essential for formal events and professional settings, where they seamlessly combine with dress shoes and a tailored blazer, completing a sophisticated ensemble. Layering is the key to creating dimension in your outfits. And our next must-have item is the ever-classic blazer or jacket. We'll show you how to style them for different occasions and how they can instantly elevate your look from ordinary to extraordinary. A well-fitted blazer or jacket adds an instant touch of refinement to any outfit. Opt for a classic navy or charcoal gray blazer for its versatility, as it complements a wide range of colors and patterns. For warmer weather, consider a linen or lightweight cotton blazer, perfect for achieving a sophisticated summer look. When it comes to styling, pair your blazer with dress pants, a dress shirt, and a tie for formal events or business meetings. For a more relaxed approach, wear it with chinos and a dress shirt, leaving the tie at home. This adaptability makes the blazer an essential layering piece, ensuring you're always ready to impress, regardless of the occasion. Accessories are the finishing touch to your ensemble, and we've got a hand-picked collection that will make heads turn. From the elegant watch that exudes luxury to the subtle pocket square that adds a touch of flair, these accessories will make a world of difference. Pocket squares and cufflinks. Pocket squares placed in your jacket's breast pocket add color and elegance to your look. Choose silk or linen squares with complementing patterns. Cufflinks offer a refined touch to your dress shirt cuffs. Go for classic designs like mother of pearl or onyx for versatility. Leather goods. Invest in high-quality leather accessories such as wallets, belts, and briefcases. Classic colors like black or brown easily complement various outfits and showcase your taste for craftsmanship. Collar accessories. Collar pins, bars, and clips add a touch of distinction to your dress shirts. These accessories secure your collar in place while adding a subtle yet sophisticated detail. Opt for sleek designs in metal or precious metals for a polished look. Bracelets. A well-chosen bracelet can be a stylish addition to your outfit. Whether it's a simple leather band, a metal cuff, or a beaded bracelet, this accessory adds a touch of personality to your overall look. Experiment with different materials and textures to find a style that aligns with your taste. Rings. Rings are a bold way to express your individuality and style. From classic signet rings to modern bands with intricate designs, this accessory makes a statement. Choose a ring that complements your overall aesthetic and consider stacking multiple rings for a fashion-forward look. Now, we've mentioned the importance of a dress shirt, but let's dive deeper into this essential item. Did you know that there are multiple collar styles to choose from, and each serves a different purpose? We'll guide you through the collar conundrum, ensuring you're always dressed to impress. The collar style of a dress shirt can significantly impact your overall appearance, so it's crucial to understand the nuances of each option. The classic point collar is a safe and timeless choice, suitable for most occasions, including business meetings and formal events. If you're looking to exude a touch of elegance and sophistication, consider a spread collar. It widens at the points, allowing for a more substantial knot when wearing a tie, making it perfect for formal occasions. For those seeking a modern and contemporary look, the cutaway collar is an excellent option. With its wide collar spread, it frames the face attractively and accommodates larger tie knots, creating a bold statement. The button-down collar, on the other hand, is a more casual choice, making it ideal for smart casual or business casual outfits. For the fashion-forward gentleman, the club collar, also known as the rounded collar, offers a unique and distinctive flair. Its rounded edges add a touch of creativity to your outfit, making it perfect for social gatherings and events where you want to stand out. Remember, when selecting a collar style, consider the shape of your face and neck, as certain collar types can complement your features better than others. Experiment with different options to discover the collar style that enhances your overall look and complements your personal style. Last but not least, we couldn't forget about one of the most iconic accessories, the wristwatch. A classic timepiece can make a strong statement about your personality and style. We'll explore various watch styles and guide you on how to choose the perfect one that reflects your individuality. Certain brands like Casio and Seiko are excellent options for those seeking a wristwatch that balances quality and round pushpin affordability. Timepieces, such as watches, are quintessential accessories that have stood the test of time and continue to hold immense importance in our lives. They enhance our professional image and etiquette, particularly during formal occasions or business meetings, where glancing at a watch is considered more polite than checking a phone. And there you have it, gentlemen, our top 10 timeless wardrobe must-haves. By now, you're well equipped to elevate your style game to the next level. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Also, make sure to comment below with your favorite wardrobe essential or any style tips you'd like to share with our incredible community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and keep refining that timeless style of yours. See you in the next video.